Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to create a professional LinkedIn background banner using Canva? With Canva, you can easily customize stylish LinkedIn background templates using your own photos and text directly on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let me show you step by step how to do it. First, open Canva on your device. Next, go to social media at the top. Swipe through the menu and look for LinkedIn, then tap LinkedIn. Now select LinkedIn background. Canva will display many professional templates you can choose from. Browse through the templates and select the one you like. Once the template opens, the image editor will appear automatically. Now tap on the image inside the template, then tap Replace. Choose the photo you want to use from your gallery. Canva will automatically replace the original image with your selected photo. Next, tap on the text if you want to customize it, then tap Edit. Now type the text you want to use for your LinkedIn background. Once everything looks good, tap the upload icon. From here, you can choose to download or share to LinkedIn. And that's how to create a professional LinkedIn background in Canva on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.